JavaScript has a built-in math object that provides a variety of properties and methods for performing mathematical operations. Here are some key facts about it. It's an object, not a function. You access its properties and methods using math. Property or math. Method. You can't call math directly as a function. It has no constructor. You don't create a math object with new math. It's a static object that's always available. It works with the number type. JavaScript uses 64-bit floating point representation for numbers, doubles, and the math object operates within those constraints. Here's a breakdown of some important aspects. Properties, constants. Math, pi, returns the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, approximately 3.14159. Math, e, returns Euler's number, the base of natural logarithms, approximately 2.718. Other constants. There are other less commonly used constants like math, lane 2, natural logarithm of 2, and math, sqrt2, square root of 2. Methods, functions. Rounding. Math, round, x, rounds x to the nearest integer. Math, ceil, x, rounds x up to the nearest integer. Math, floor, x, rounds x down to the nearest integer. Math, trunc, x, returns the integer part of x by removing any fractional digits. Arithmetic. Mathlink to .abs, x, returns the absolute value of x. Mathlink to .pow, x, y, returns x raised to the power of y, xy. Math, sqrt, x, returns the square root of x. Min, max. Mathlink to .min, x, y, returns the smallest of 0 or more numbers. Mathlink to .max, x, y, returns the largest of 0 or more numbers. Random numbers. Math, random, returns a pseudo-random number between 0, inclusive, and 1, exclusive. Trigonometry. Mathlink to .sin, x, returns the sign of x, in radians. Mathlink to .cos, x, returns the cosine of x, in radians. Mathlink to .tan, x, returns the tangent of x, in radians. Math, asin, x, math, acos, x, math, aton, x, return the inverse trigonometric functions. Logarithms. Mathlink to .log, x, returns the natural logarithm, base e, of x. Math, log2, x, returns the base 2 logarithm of x. Math, log10, x, returns the base 10 logarithm of x. Important considerations. Floating point precision. Due to the way floating point numbers are represented, you might encounter small rounding errors in calculations. Radians versus degrees. Trigonometric functions in JavaScript work with radians. You might need to convert between degrees and radians using the formulas. Radians equals degrees, math, pi, 180. Degrees equals radians, 180, math, pi. The math object is a fundamental part of JavaScript for any kind of numerical computation, graphics, or game development.